let's create a community of students, only students around India for product management, let's say awareness. Hello, all the product enthusiasts out there. My name is Hemanshu. I'm a product manager at TraceX Technology, which is into farm tech, agri tech, and compliance management softwares. My basic day starts with all the market research, requirement gathering, customer research, and complete day revolves around the hustle and bustle with the tech team. So what got me into product management was from a very early days in my college, I was always interested in entrepreneurship. Even I started my own small venture out there. That was the time I realized there are certain gaps in my personality, in my thought process, and I decided to go for a post-graduation. Instead of going for a traditional post-graduation, when I was researching about what should I pursue in post-graduation, I realized that there is something called product management. And then when I started researching more about product management, I realized that the learnings of product management is directly parallel to what I need to be a good entrepreneur. So yeah, that was the very first reason why I got into product management. So the top 3 things which Institute of Product Leadership has offered is, the very first thing is, it is away from a traditional brick and mortar education system. On the very first day, we were told that you have to make a product in this journey, and we did that. We went out to customers, we had conversation with them, we did surveys, we made a product out of what the insights were. Second, we were told that even if we pass out from the Institute of Product Leadership and it is been, let's say, 10 years, we'll still get access to everything what we have right now. Alumni network, career opportunities, everything will still get access. The last thing is the Talentathon. In Talentathon, what is generally happening is we are not giving our resumes to HRs which for the initial screening. It is directly going to the hiring manager, that is a product manager, and he is the best person, he or she is the best person to judge our abilities. So to all the aspiring product managers out there, I have 3 things which I want to share with you. The first thing is be curious, because that is what it will take you in great things in product management. Second is break the pattern, because you are out there to disrupt and make innovative products in the industry, which will not happen if you still think in a traditional way. You have to break that pattern and think out of the box. Third is go as possible in an industry, because that is what will help you in your interview also and in your job also. Fourth and last, I know I said third, but fourth one is a bonus point for all of you. So fourth is be humble, because this is a job you have to talk to everyone, right from sales and marketing intern to CEO, the head of department. So you have to be humble and listen to everyone, because that's the primary job of product management. You have to listen.